Look at this. Huh? Old farm equipment. There's a bunch of them here. I mean, it's like senior citizen development. And there's like all these things hanging out over here. Oh, we'll go to the next one. Huh. Single bottom plow, 1930s, Scotland, Connecticut. Huh. They got these things all over the place here. There's a lake down there. Yeah, we'll go out to the next one. Here's the next one. Look at that. Plowed the dirt up and stuff. I'm in some housing development. Senior citizens. Neato. On to the next one. I found one more. Look at this one's got rubber tires. Huh? Is that back in the day? All dry rotted. What is this? Slide delivery rake. Scotland hay. 1930s. Wow. A tire down there. It's a rake. Scotland rake. Slide delivery rake. Wow. There's a lot of these here. It's weird. Hey, found another one. It's a little bit walk though. That's a hay rake. Wow. Look at that. Huh? These things are all over the place around here. No name to it. Oh, yes, there is. Drum rake, 1920s, Baltic, Connecticut. Hay and... Wow. Old equipment, huh? Off to the next one. Wow, here's the next one. Mowing machine, 1920s, Plainfield, Connecticut. Cutting hay. Huh. Kind of cool. Off to the next one. Wow. I found another one. The hay one was over there, and then that one was over there. Check this one out. Huh. Oh, I think this was a potato thing. It dug the potatoes up. Yep. No name. Oh, here it is. Potato digger, Jewett City, Connecticut. Harvesting. Yep, I was right. Potato digger. Yep, the thing would dig into the dirt and the potatoes would get ripped up. Yeah, cool. Off to the next one. There's like one more over there. Huh. Found another one. Wow, this spot is getting interesting. Look in the sky. Nice sky. Huh. What's this one? Two bottom land plow. 1920s, Brooklyn, Connecticut. Garden tiller. Also that till the dirt. Huh. Ain't that different? Wow. Alright. It's got all kinds of moss growing on the wheels. Off to the next one. Let's go. Go over here. There's another one. That's kind of cool. That's the next one. What was it called? Look at the moss. Grows on the metal. What's this one? Hay Hickler. 1920s, Baltic, Connecticut. Harvesting hay. That would harvest hay. Look at all these fork things on it. Kind of neat, huh? Then we got this one over here. Wow, look at this stop sign. Looks like a candy cane. Somebody shot it too. Huh? They're shooting the stop sign. And here's another one. Old tractor. Got the motor and everything. Rubber tires. Huh? Poor thing. Look at that. No sign. Kind of hero. Oh wow, it gets all rotted out. I think that would be the oil pan. Look at that. Huh. These things are everywhere around. Hey, there's another one. My God. What's this one? Oh, it looks like one of those things that turn to dirt. Huh. Part of the wooden handle is shot. No name. Huh. Well, we'll go off to the next one. Found another one. There's like a stream. Look at all the woods. Look at that tree. Oh, here it is. Another one. Wow. That looked like it would turn the dirt over or something. Huh. Oh, there's a sign. Weeder, 1920s, Scotland, Connecticut. Crop cultivation. Huh, nice bench. See where I am? Middle of nowhere. Huh. Well, off to the next one. I found another one. Single row cultivator. 1920s, Scotland, Connecticut. Crop cultivation. Look at all the moss grows on the metal and stuff, huh? That's weird. Huh. Wow. This is old farm equipment. I hate to be a farmer back in the day. My God, would you tie this to a horse? Huh? Off to the next one. Down there. I found another one. Look at that. They're in pretty good shape overall. What's it say? 2-bottom plow. Chase 192223, Windham, Connecticut. Donated by the Clausen family in memorial of Marchano and Raymond Sandwich. Oh. Too bad that moss grows all over. Kind of neat, huh? Off to the next one. There. Whoops, I think I found another one. My God. Mowing machine. Jewett City, Connecticut. Cutting hay. Look at that. That's a hay cutter. Huh? Pretty cool. Never knew these things were here. Found them at the moment's notice. I just started driving down the road. I'm like, wow, look at this. Hey, I found number 14, I think. Another one. What the heck was that one? Some kind of farm equipment. Corn seeder. 1940, Scotland, Connecticut. Huh. So that would seed the seeds. What's in there? Not much. Huh. Look at that. We're off to the next one. Hey, I found another one. I think this is like 20 of them that we found here. There's 20 of them. Different types, you know? Farm equipment. Look at the gears. What was this? Slide delivery rake. 1920s. Canterbury, Connecticut. Huh. They all had wooden, like metal wheels. Look at the notches, the no dots. Wow. Huh. Pretty cool, huh? And then, another candy cane stop sign. Huh. And then we found this one. I don't want to give the sign out. Huh. So what was this? Look at that. It's got this thing going up there. Is there a sign? Horse-drawn mowing machine, 1920. Centerbury, Connecticut, cutting hay. So they tie a horse onto this thing? Cut the hay? Wow, look at that. That's number 20. Welcome to this spot. There's a road over here next to the candy cane stop sign. Look at it, they shot this one too. Who's shooting the stop signs? Do you think that was a gunshot or just rot? Huh? Looks like it's just rot. I don't know. There's a little ant up there. Couple of them, oh, they fly. There's a road over here. Where's this road go to? It says slow. Huh? What's this? A.K. Stomping grounds. Stomping grounds. Can we go down there? Let's check it out. Oh, there's number 20. Hey, off to the next spot. Thanks for watching. Look at the size of that rock. So here we go. Down Stomping Grounds Road. Go slow. I don't know where this goes to, or whatever it is. They got some tags and the trees over here. Speed limit 10 miles an hour. The gate's open. It says KS Incorporated hours 8 to 4, Monday to Friday, Saturday. We accept stumps, local builders and brush. Attention, you must have a ticket to dump. Violators will be prosecuted. See attendant for ticket. Huh? We're off to get a ticket. What is this here? I don't know if I should go any further or not. There's a little truck over there. Wow. Pretty cool place. There's a dumpster. I'll go walk around. Walk around a little bit. It's kind of windy. I was gonna go up that road, but it looks a little sketchy, you know? I don't know what the hell this place is. Stomping grounds. There's a bulldozer. Looks like it's been sitting there for a while. All rusted up. Huh. Big pile of dirt. Huh. A truck. I have no idea what this is about. Huh. Okay. Stomping grounds. What's this truck? Huh. Guess we could drive up here, but I don't know. 18-wheeler. Looks like this thing has been sitting here for a long time. Trees are growing. Huh. The door's open? Nope. Huh. I have no idea what this is all about. Interesting though. What's that? Cable? A wire cable. Ooh. Ooh. Getting attacked by trees. So, I don't know. Should we go up there? I don't know. Thanks for watching.